the graduates of Patag Elementary School of the year 2023 and 2024. After having received a certificate of graduation, we hereby pledge to do our best to the glory of His book, to the fullest satisfaction of our parents, and to the improvement and welfare of our country. Behind this pledge is our never-ending love, appreciation, and loyalty to our alma mater, Patag Elementary School, to help us God.